Hello everyone and welcome back to Canning Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impressa C7 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just had to do a tune-up and that's all we did. We service the brew unit, service the machine, make sure everything's running up smoothly, and we also descale the machine. What all the things we did, we also clean a bit the grinder to make sure there's not all ground coffee inside the grinder itself. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna be using the milk substitute, which is gonna be a milk cleaner. So we're still gonna be able to see how the foam performs, but we're not using milk. As you can see, it's siphoning up pretty good. There you go. Good foam coming out of the machine. Now the coffee is gonna get delivered on this side. Focus camera. Perfect. Coming out perfectly fine. Looking great. Now for, like I said, we're not using milk, we're using a substitute, we're using milk cleaner, so that will completely clean everything inside the product itself. So we're gonna now do a small coffee coming out from the spouts, and then we can use a little bit of hot water running from the hot water faucet. Infusion right there. Excellent flow coming out of the machine, and 1 ounce, which is a ristretto. Looking great. Now let's do a longer coffee, 1 espresso, which is going to be other coffee. We unfortunately run out of coffee. Let's put a little bit more. As you see, the bean sensor is working. Now we can do that again and do an espresso. For infusion. And now it's coming out of the machine. Two ounces, which is amazing. Really good quantity coming out of the machine. Hot water. Nice steady stream. Alright. And really good temperature as well. Forgot I don't have my gloves. I usually do it with gloves. So, working perfectly fine. There you have it. Jura Impressa C7 working once again. So, thank you so much for repairing Canning Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day. And thanks for watching.